Alright guys, so this is going to be a little tutorial video about if you own a pre-facelift 8V RS3. It's going to be about how you can disconnect the exhaust valves, and essentially all you need is some cable ties, waterproof tape. So first things first, get the car, if you can ramp the car up, do it. If not, you can actually quite easily get to the valve clips, even just by going under the car whilst it's at ground level. So get yourself in position, get a cable tie and slide yourself under the car. So once you're under the car, you need to orientate yourself. So look at the RS logo on the back box, and we're going to do the left first. So you find these two interconnecting pipes. By the way, if you've got the sports exhaust, you'll have this interconnecting pipe between these two pipes that go towards the exhaust tips, and you'll have those on. Are they on both sides? Sorry, you'll just have those on the left hand side. So that's the way to know that you've got the sports exhaust. You've got that pipe there, and then what you want to do is you want to find this spiral tube here, plastic one, and then that'll feed. If you look up here, that's the exhaust clip. You got it? Yeah. Now above the exhaust clip, sorry, I'm doing this blind, you'll be able to see that there's a little clip on the top of it, so you need to press that and pull out. I might just do this video also with the flash on and see if it helps. One sec. Yep, so here we go. There's your spiral pipe, and then your clip is up there. I hope that comes through. You should be able to see it there, yep. So you just press that, pull out, and then we'll secure it with the cable ties and the tape. Yeah, you can see this is what it looks like. And just as a reminder, if you didn't see it on the other video, in the other clip, that is the thing that you press. So the thing just above the text is a little clip that you press. So yeah, as you can see, I have occluded all of the parts that could come in contact with water, and then the next thing is to secure it. So I'm going to use that bit there. I'm going to feed it through and then secure it with a cable tie. So guys, you can see now that this is nicely secure with a cable tie, and it's well away from anything that will get hot. So exactly the same on the other side, and then we're done. There we go, there you have it. So you've got right one, and you've got left one over there, all done. So I'll probably not deny you guys a couple of sound clips to finish the video off with, because you know what's the use of the tutorial if you can't hear how it sounds. So guys, as you could hear, the key difference on cold start is that, you know, with the valves plugged in, once the car sort of gets to a certain temperature, or after a certain period of time, the valves reclose because the car automatically goes back into comfort mode. However, you can obviously hear that there was a prolonged phase where the car was just super loud. So that's the biggest difference on cold start. So again guys, just to reiterate, the valves are definitely unplugged because right now we're in comfort, and then if I put it in dynamic, there's still absolutely no difference in the exhaust amplitude. Remember, in dynamic the pops occur not because of the exhaust valves, but rather because how the transmission acts. So look, look, dynamic, comfort. This is a good example. So 3rd gear, low revs. We don't get that volume at all with the valves plugged in. Dynamic, it sounds essentially the same, but if you look here, when the revs are at when the revs are at 2000, so when the revs are like below 2800 rpm, when the valves are plugged in any gear but first, it will not let you have that degree of volume. So the message to put across is that it's only first gear with the valves plugged in that the valves will be open throughout the rev range. In 2nd gear and above, you need to get above 2800 rpm to get the valves open, but you can bypass this with the valve unplugged. So I highly recommend it. It's really good.